Santa came.
What's going on?
Guys, look, Santa came.
Castor, Decker, come on. What's this? What's this? What is this? What is that? Come on. Oh. What's this? What's this?
Open presents.
I know, Mom made it hard. Here, let me help. This is the stuff. I know. You just don't have thumbs.
There we go.
This one here. Oh, yes. Come on.
All right, open them up.
Come on. Castor, look. What's in there? What's in there?
What's in there, Decker? Get it. He keeps going under the loop.
No.
Oh yeah, he can smell it. He knows it. Oh, what is it?
Come on. Where's the treat? Where's the treat? Come on.
Oh, Castor got it. Decker got it.
Come on. Castor. Come on. Check in here. Look.
You take the first fluffy one out. So I'm not used to this.
I don't know if the bags were a great idea.
Get it. He's just looking at me. He's like, what do you mean?
I think the original is just tissue paper.
Just dump it out of the bag.
Come on.
We had to modify.
Come on. Look. Come on, Castor. What is it? What is it? What's in there? Come on. I know it smells good. What is it? What is that, Castor? Come on.
He's like, I'm afraid of going inside things.
Come on. Castor, what is it? Look. What is that?
And he's off.
Just like kids.